Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to bypass or skip the Microsoft account sign-in during the installation of Windows 11 easily. When you are on the sign-in page, press Shift plus F10 key on your keyboard to open command prompt. Now type start ms-cxh, local only. Then press enter. Now, input name and password. Click Next. See sign-in page not showing. See Windows open normally. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friend. Thank you.